Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 9. Subject and Mathematics. Chapter name Equation. Exercise 5.4 Lecture 2. Today's lesson. To solve the problems. 7 number. Xy minus x square this equal to 1. And y square minus xy this equal to 2. Solution, given that xy minus x square this equal to 1, equation number 1, y square minus xy this equal to 2, this is equation number 2. From 2 minus 1, 2 mean y square minus xy plus x square, and here 2 minus 1. Now x minus xy, that is 2 minus 2xy, here y square, here also plus x square, right side will be 1. And this makes y minus x whole square. That's mean a minus b whole square formula. Therefore, y minus x this equal to plus minus 1. So this equal to, you can write either y minus x this equal to 1 or y minus x this equal to minus 1. From here we can write y is equal to x plus 1, and from here y is equal to x minus 1. As when we will convert this into right side, here will be plus x and this is minus 1. Clear, student? Now using 3 in 1 and also 4 in 1. 3 in 1 mean left side here will be x into y mean x plus 1. Okay, and when we'll put y is equal to x minus 1 mean x into x minus 1 minus x square. Now follow. Using 3 in 1, that's mean x into x plus 1, because here was xy and y is equal to x plus 1. This equal to, you can write x square plus x minus x square. Now minus x square plus x square cut, therefore x is equal to 1. Again from 3, for x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, because equation number 3 was y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, as x is equal to 1, so y equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Again using 4 in 1, we get x into x minus 1, because 4 number equation y is equal to x minus 1, and 1 number was xy minus x square, and right side will be 1. Now this equal to, you can write x square minus x square. Now minus x square minus x square cut, therefore minus x is equal to 1, that is x is equal to minus 1. So from 4, for x is equal to minus 1, y is also equal to minus 2, because 4 number was y is equal to x minus 1. X is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. Therefore the required solution xy is equal to 1, 2 and minus 1 minus 2. This is the required answer. Very easy solution. Okay. Example 23. Solve x plus y by x minus y plus x minus y by x plus y this equal to 5 by 2 and x square plus y square this equal to 90. Solution. This is equation number 1 and this equal to equation number 2. This is a given condition. Now from 1, here will be LCM x plus y into x minus y. Now x minus y cut, as here is x plus y, so here will be x plus y whole square, and here will be x minus y whole square. Okay. Now this makes a formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. This equal to, you know, 2 into a square plus b square. As here is a equal to x and y, b is equal to y, so here will be x square plus y square, and this makes x square minus y square. Okay, that's mean a plus b into a minus b. Formula will be a square minus b square. Now x square plus y square. X square plus y square this equal to 90 from equation 2. So 2 into 90 mean 180, and this will be fixed x square minus y square, and right side will be 5 divided by 2. Now follow x square minus y square, this is equal to 72. Okay, this is equation number 3. Now adding 2 and 3. 2 number was x square plus y square, this is equal to 90. But 3 number x square minus y square, this is equal to 72. So after adding, result will be 2x square, this is equal to 162. Or x square, this is equal to 81. Or x, this is equal to plus minus 9. Again 2 minus 3, we get 2y square, this is equal to 18. Or y square, this is equal to 9. Therefore y is equal to plus minus 3. Very easy calculation. Okay student. Therefore the required solution xy, this is equal to 9 3, 9 minus 3, minus 9 3, or minus 9 minus 3. Okay, follow this, you can easily solve 10 number in your book, exercise 5.4 before math, and this number same, just you have to give time for solving. Okay, now follow another math, example 22. Solve x square minus 2xy plus 8y square, this is equal to 8, and 3xy minus 2y square, this is equal to 4. I have solved at first 23 number, because 23 number and 10 number similar math. Also example 22 and in your book 12 number same. Okay, so 22 number I solved later. Solution, this is a given condition, that's mean x square minus 2xy plus 8y square, this is equal to 8. This is equation number 1. And 3xy minus 2y square, this is equal to 4. This is equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2 we get, that's mean 1 divided by 2, we get x square minus 2xy plus 8y square divided by 3xy minus 2y square. Right side will be 8 divided by 4 mean 2 divided by 1. Now this equal to, you can write x square minus 2xy plus 8y square, and right side will be 6xy minus 4y square. Or x square minus 8xy, that's mean this converting to left side, here will be minus 8xy plus 12y square, this equal to 0. Or x square minus 6xy minus 2xy plus 12y square, this equal to 0. Or x minus 6y into x minus 2y, this equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 6y or x is equal to 2y. Okay, now follow putting the value of x into from 3, we get x is equal to 6y. That we use here the value of x, 3xy, here was 3xy, as x is equal to 6y, so we have put here 6y minus 2y square, this equal to 4. Or here will be 18y square minus 2y square means 16y square, this equal to 4. Or y square, this equal to 1 by 4, therefore y is equal to plus minus half. From 3, x, this equal to 6 into y mean plus minus half, this equal to plus minus 3. Again putting the value of x from 4 into, we get 3 into 2y into y minus 2y square, because here was 3xy. Okay, here 3xy. So x is equal to 2y, so here will be only 2y. So 3 into 2y into y minus 2y square, this equal to 4. Or 4y square, this equal to 4. Or y square, this equal to 1. Therefore y this equal to plus minus 1. Now putting the value of y in 4, we get x is equal to 2 into plus minus 1, this equal to plus minus 2. Therefore the required solution will be 3 half, minus 3, minus half, 2, 1, minus 2, minus 1. This is the required answer. Okay. 12 number, like as before math. So everybody will solve this. So to do this, homework will be 7 up to 12 left all. Okay. And submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 27/6/2021. Just 6 math. Okay. Time 11 a.m. Thank you to all everyone. Goodbye.